Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. Last week market went through two events. First one was US elections and second Fed interest rates. We saw volatility in the markets, we saw mixed reactions, not all the stocks rallied. Selected stocks made good moves and I hope you have selected the stocks correctly. Let's have a quick review on DFM market index, that is Dubai Financial Market. I am on a higher time frame, that is on a weekly chart. We can see a nice bull run. Definitely market index is bullish. Next area of resistance, as I had mentioned, this area that is 4658 zone is resistance. We can see small wick at the top, a small rejection. Closing is at 4639 points. Still it's bullish. There are chances during coming week we may see another green candle. Market may revisit 4699 points, that is next strong hurdle. Overall, we are seeing strong bullish momentum in DFM market index. Move to the upside, a correction phase, again a strong move to the upside, a small correction phase, and now we are seeing a new leg to the upside. I think still there is space remaining. Market can still go ahead and it may try and visit the next area of resistance. Once this area is taken out, definitely I will update where is the next area of supply. As of now, on the weekly chart, we are not seeing any signs of bearishness or weakness. Market index is looking very strong. Let's go down to daily and see how the chart is looking. And here we can see a red candle printed in Friday's session after it hit the resistance. Something very important to notice, guys, this area is resistance as we know. And if at all there were strong sellers in the market, we should have seen strong drop to the downside. It would have come down to revisit the support of 4555 points, or it could have even gone down deeper till about 4500. But since market is sustaining right near the resistance zone, this gives us a good indication that yes, there are chances market may again try and push to the upside, visiting 4699. Looking at the last candle, that is a doji candle. Those who have joined my membership with candlesticks and chart pattern ebook, definitely they know what does this candle mean. There are still chances it may go sideways here, or it can break out aggressively to make a move to the upside. Overall, on the daily chart also we are not seeing any signs of bearishness. It's very strong, it's bullish. Look at this phase, this is very interesting for me. I keep highlighting this is accumulation phase. We saw a strong momentum to the upside, a small short consolidation or volatility contraction here, and we saw upside momentum. I'm expecting a continuation in DFM market index. This is the weekly chart of ADX market index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. Look at the beautiful green candle. We can see it broke the resistance of 9404 points. I have been repeatedly mentioning after this strong drop to the downside previously, when market was trying to climb up again or when it was trying for a recovery, we saw weakness in the market. A solid red candle was printed and there were chances it could have even gone down further. Thankfully, strong bulls bounced back in the market. We saw a solid green candle confirming there are still chances of upside momentum and we can expect 100% recovery of this drop to the downside. Exactly, this is what is happening. We can see recovery is done. Market hit 9475 points. Looking at the last weekly candle close, it's looking very strong, very bullish. There are chances of continuation to the upside. We can see wicks at the top into this zone that is around 9475 to 9510 points. Market previously tried for a breakout, it could not survive, and from here we saw strong drop, but obviously this was due to the geopolitical scenarios. As of now, things are normalizing. We don't see any big negative news coming out. So if at all things remain same, or if at all there is any positivity in the market, strong upside momentum is expected. On the weekly chart, strong resistance now stands at 9563 points. Overall, if we can see, market has recovered very nicely. Strong move to the upside. This was a short consolidation phase. Upside momentum from here. This candle was due to the panic selling in the market, and now market has recovered very nicely. So on the weekly chart, ADX market is looking very strong, very bullish. Let's go down to daily and see here. We can see it printed a red candle in Friday's session, which is quite normal. because usually in Friday's session we do not see big volumes because big investors and traders do not like to keep their positions open. There are chances any negative news hits the market, it can come down and their positions can be affected. So looking at the last doji candle, exactly the same way DFM has printed, we are seeing a doji candle into the resistance zone. It means it's just taking a pause. There are chances it may go sideways or even come down to revisit 9,400 points. We can previously see after a break to the upside. Here we can see wick at the bottom. It has retested this zone successfully and from here it has moved up. So I'm expecting a continuation in ADX as well. This is the support zone. If this fails, then there are chances 9,352 can hold up the market. Overall, on the daily chart as well, we can see nice strong momentum to the upside. Previously, when market was trading into this zone, I had mentioned it's looking weaker because we were not able to see a recovery of this drop to the downside. Since that has happened nicely, we are seeing bullish price action. I'm expecting a continuation. As I mentioned, strong resistance at 9,563 points. This is the daily chart of Apex. Hit the like button if you are watching my analysis regularly. Previously I had mentioned, just in case if you have missed that video, I will provide a iCard. Watch that video, it will help you. In that video I had mentioned, just to summarize it quickly, once we see a candle close above 4.03, this will be our indication that correction phase is over, and from here there are very good chances slowly and steadily we might see strong upside momentum. In my last video, I had also mentioned correction has started from 30th of September onwards. We can see strong sideways momentum till about 6th of November. So this phase was correction phase. We did not see any strong move to the upside or to the downside. Apex was correcting itself by just going sideways, spending the time near 3.70 and 4.00. So this acted as a support and this was the resistance. Finally, last week we saw this candle breaking the barrier of 4.00. It closed at 4.06, giving us a good indication that now correction is over, resistance is taken out, and from here upside momentum is expected. In Friday's session, we saw nice momentum to the upside. Closing is above 4.03 at 4.12. So this gives us another indication. From here there are chances it may continue its upside momentum. There are chances if at all it wants to come down for a revisit, or if at all there is any correction in the market, 4.03 should act as a support. Talking about the next target or strong resistance area, that is between 4.25 to 4.30. Once this is taken out, then we may see 4.45 to 4.50 very soon. In mid to short term, if you want to hold it, there are chances it may hit 4.85 as well, provided you have that kind of patience and you can hold your positions to have big profits. So guys, this was the quick update. Hit the like button if it was helpful. For more detailed analysis and my stock recommendations with entries and exit, you may scan the QR code and join my team. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.